Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your mobile data to your Gmail account. Whether you're updating your device or switching to a new one, syncing with your Google account is the way to go. Let's dive into the steps. Backing up and synchronizing with a Google account is crucial for preserving your mobile data. Whether it's contacts, apps, or settings, we've got you covered. Let's explore how to set up this seamless process. To begin, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, don't worry. We'll guide you through the setup process. Simply tap on Settings, head to Accounts, then Add Account. Choose Google from the options provided. Once you've selected Google, follow the prompts to set up your account. This is the key to ensure a smooth transfer of your mobile data. If you already have a Google account, you can skip this step. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to set up and benefit from backing up your mobile data to your Gmail account. Remember, this proactive approach is not just recommended, it's a smart move for anyone invested in their digital experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips. Happy syncing!